Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jared Allen here with Weather Iowa with an update on your July 4th holiday forecast. July 4th, of course, coming up tomorrow. Here's the latest information, of course, that we've got that featured for you. July 4th holiday forecast, of course, here from Weather Iowa. Thanks for tuning in here today. And as we jump ahead, let's take a look at what's going to be happening. They've changed the forecast at this point in time. Let me see if I can find what I'm looking for here. There we go. Okay, so severe potential. We've got a severe potential from 2 to 10 p.m. coming up on Thursday, which is more of a scattered variety of thunderstorms throughout the northern Iowa area. Areas in the yellow have a slight risk of severe weather. Areas in the green have a marginal risk, which basically it's a 1 through 5 scale. Marginal is a 1, slight is a 2 on the scale. And of course, 5 is a high, moderate risk is a 4, and an enhanced risk is a 3. But we're basically 2 out of 5 for a slight risk of severe weather, more scattered thunderstorms, which I'll show you on the models here in just a few moments as to what we're thinking as far as weather for the upcoming July 4th holiday. Good news here. The excessive rainfall outlook has shifted more into southern Minnesota. Obviously, that doesn't do any good for Mankato, the Mankato area, which has seen a lot of rain. But it looks like most of northern Iowa is now only in a marginal risk, a 1 out of 4 for excessive rainfall during the day on the July 4th holiday. So this is what we're thinking as far as rainfall. Obviously, I mentioned scattered thunderstorms are possible for our area coming up on July 4th as we look later in the day today, 10, 11, and we're getting close to the after the midnight hour. Got some scattered storms that move through between 8 and 9 tomorrow morning over the northern Iowa area, which this obviously has changed since our last update. And then, of course, you look towards noon, you still got some scattered storms. Look here, there's some intense thunderstorms here at 4 o'clock in the Worth County area. And then over into Mitchell and Floyd counties in the afternoon, early evening, 5 o'clock. And then they kind of blossom even more as they head towards eastern Iowa and then eventually move into Wisconsin, which 10 o'clock at this point for fireworks in Clear Lake and some of the other communities throughout the North Iowa area looks pretty dry at this point. So that's definitely some good news. There is the possibility, of course, that things could change, but that's definitely some good news tomorrow night for those that are looking to enjoy some of the July 4th activities. And then, of course, Friday, we've got an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible in the afternoon hours. How much rainfall are we thinking in the next, the time period? Let's just jump all the way to the end. Let's jump all the way to the end, which is 1 a.m. Saturday. We've got, tenths of an inch, 1/10 of an inch in Mason City. A little bit heavier amounts, obviously, due to the thunderstorm that rolled through in Worth County. But looks like the rainfall for northern Iowa isn't going to be as significant as it once thought. Heavier rain, of course, in the eastern part of the state and, of course, into southern Minnesota. So definitely some good news as far as rainfall. Shouldn't see as much rainfall. I mean, even you're looking in portions of, southern Winnebago County, 700ths, 800ths. Over by Lake Mills, maybe 3/10 down in portions of southwest Hancock County, maybe 4/10 of an inch. Fort Dodge, kind of light, except for the northern areas, which an isolated thunderstorm could move through that area as well. So this obviously all could change, just depends on what thunderstorms develop where over the next several hours or for the next several days. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. We've got your July 4th holiday forecast. Of course, anytime you can support us here at Weather Iowa and follow us on all the social media platforms. We're on all of the platforms listed there. Right there, you can follow us anytime. Thanks for watching. Have a great, safe July 4th holiday.